your gele to be tight.
Yeah, cutie. Looking good and looking nice. Yeah, cutie.
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day.
Yeah, cutie.
Carry.
Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Take Beauty. Guys, if today is the first time you come across my video, I am super excited. You are welcome. For my old returnees, I am grateful for all you have been doing, for always checking on me. Yes, so on this channel, we teach how to tie gele, how to apply makeup. But since this year, I always upload gele video on my YouTube, in case you are watching me from YouTube. But my Facebook, I always do live on Facebook, how to apply makeup and how to tie gele. Please, my YouTube family, try and follow me on my Facebook. We always have fun there. Okay, guys. This video, I'm going to teach you how to achieve gele. This material is called Sego gele and it's the big one. And my customer said she don't want big a tie. And this material is very big. It's big, not that it's very big. This fan, I call this tie party guest fan. You know, we have celebrant style, we have party guest style. Okay, so I'm going to try my possible best to make sure the fan party guest is not that too big for her as she requested. I just create a lot of pleating at the front because the material is big. I just create. So for the beginning, try and create lowest 4 pleating at the front. Yes, but me, I create more than 4. But the lowest you can create is 4. Okay, for the measurement, I divided 20/80. 20/80, the 20 is the short one that I give to her. Then now I'm now working on the 80. 80 is the longest. When I cross it, if you want to cross it at the back, cross it, the shorter one always go up, the longer one. The shorter one go up, the longer one go down. Guys, don't mind my voice, so I just wake up from my bed. In fact, you know, to do voice on top of video, that one another work. It's not easy to do voice on top video and just be talking. I don't want to use my music all over throughout the video. Yes, I have to do some explanation. Okay, what we are doing now, we are just creating the fan. This is what I call fan. I wanted to use this material to do round for her since she said she don't want big style. But she said she don't like round with this material. That I should just do small fan for her. Okay, that is what we are creating now. Yes, so guys, call me for your event in case you have any event. I'm available to travel. We are many in one beauty. We do makeup, we do gele, we do different traditional hairstyle with okuku, the Igbo traditional marriage hairstyle. Send me picture. I will give it to you the way you want it. We sell makeup product as well. We sell oil perfume. Guys, yesterday, come and see me. In fact, I was talking to the lady. The lady said, wait. You smell so good. What is the name of your perfume? Yes, guys, my perfume, the one I said is very good. Contact me, and my makeup product, they are original. You know, when you are buying makeup product from makeup artists, just have that confidence that you are going for the best because that is what we use as well. Okay, guys. So once you do the fan, when you get to the end, when the material is finished, just twist everything back, twist it. And if you want to twist it, don't forget to. Some people twist everything to the back side, twist everything to this, twist it to the front side. Sorry, twist everything to the front side. Then you use pin to just support it there. That is what I'm doing there. Okay, guys, so once you use pin, by the time you finish using pin at the back side there, you see this 20, this small 20 that was with her before, so I just take the 20 from her. Then I will use the 20 to just create like another extra fan for this side, little fan. Okay, so guys, Gele is when you keep practicing, you have your way out. Practice. It's very easy. Practice, yes. And Gele is just sometimes when we see in some situation of material, we just come up with some idea. You must use your wisdom to create Gele. You will use your wisdom. Like this fan, for example, the material is wide, but it's not long. But if, for example, the length is long, then the fan, I will just take everything down. Because the length is not that long, I just, where it ends, I just make sure I try my possible best and bring again the 20 that was with her to just create that another extra fan this side. That is why I say we use wisdom. Okay, guys, in case you are still strongly hard to tie, difficult style on your head, I have simple styles. 3 minutes Gele, 2 minutes Gele, any style you want. I have everything on this my YouTube channel. For my Facebook people, I have many video as well, but not as on my Facebook. Facebook, I have little video because I deleted almost all my video when I was having some problem of copyright. But I still have all the video on my YouTube, almost more than 400 video. So any style you are looking for, if you can't find it on Facebook, go to YouTube. All the styles, they are there. They are there, all my people. Please, I want to beg my YouTube family. Please, always try and drop a comment for me and press like. You know, the more you press like, the more YouTube will know that these people, they like the video. Just press that like, and when anytime you watch my video, try and leave your comment. Drop comment for me. Because anything you feel is there, not say do well. Just tell me anything you feel. If it's beautiful, write beautiful. Anything, just write anything for me. But the important thing, drop your comment, please. Drop your comment. Try and drop your comment. Sometimes my video will just have 50,000 views. Then I will have some more comments there for my YouTube. For Facebook, they always drop comment. But YouTube family, please drop comment for me. And press like. Thank you. This is the final. She is ready to rock, to go to the event. Yes, so thank you. See you on my next video. She is happy. Okay, guys, let me put my music. Bye-bye.
Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love. That beauty.
In case you need your Gele to be tied.
That beauty. Look